So, how do you mute group chats on WhatsApp? So, to start off, let's open up the WhatsApp application. Now, here you will see the messages that you currently have in your account. Now, as you can see, we have a group chat here by the name of Test. What you're gonna do is just click on the group and hold. Then here you need to tap on the top right, the bell notification, and you just need to click on it. And here you can mute it accordingly to whichever you want. Like I can mute it for 8 hours, 1 week, or I can mute it forever. So here you just need to click on OK, and once you do, the chat has been muted. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.